150 psi of compression. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting a cylinder head on my cr250 using high performance RTV. I think we're going to end up just taking this and going to spread a thin layer over it all. Not super thin, but I don't want it to be too thick either because this is for compression. Seems to be the best way. Then we're gonna get a little paper towel, wipe out the water jackets, and the bolt holes won't matter. So, well, here we are. We're doing it. We are doing it, buddy. I'm feeling decently okay about this. Probably not because it was a metal gasket, but if this one would last for an hour, I'd be interested, you know? All right, now we're gonna install it onto the jug here, the cylinder. Stupid, of course it's stupid, but it's for a YouTube video. I'm asking if this is stupid. Well, yeah, I know it's stupid. That's why I'm doing it. I mean, there's a possibility it could work, though. We're just gonna give it a nice, easy, nice, slow, easy, equal taps there. All right, we're doing one last little go and we're done. They're pretty tight. Let me just wipe this off right now. All right, we'll be back in about 3 hours to finish up. Maybe not 3. Maybe we should give it 4 or 5. All right, it's been about 6 hours now on the old Honda, letting it dry. Let's go ahead and check it out, put a compression gauge on it, see what it's reading. Take your guesses in the comments right now. I'm gonna guess. What's your number? Like, probably from 0 to like 120, 150. PSI of compression. Flip a single test. You all see that? We know it was holding compression, right? Okay. There's not a chance this thing's gonna fire, huh? It's got 130 psi. That's more than it had. That is insane. It's got more compression right now than it did with the actual OEM gasket. 150 psi or 130 psi. I'll kick it one more time. Just give it. 150 psi of compression. Ridiculous. We're gonna run. This thing's gonna run. Take your guesses. Is this thing gonna run? The old cr250 is now running 180 psi. With, obviously, you can see the RTV. It has an RTV head gasket. No joke. All right, I'm gonna try kicking her over, seeing if it'll fire up. All right, now I'm gonna try firing up the cr250 with the new RTV gasket. It's holding 180 psi of compression, so I'm fairly confident we'll be good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. This seems like it pulled. It seems like the choke just...
Babe. There's no gas on it.
Cool.
Yeah, we're good. Is that gas?
Yeah.